Nakuru Governor Susan Kihika has finally addressed growing public concern over her absence from administrative duties for the past 3 months, which had sparked widespread debate and speculation on social media. Her prolonged absence led to a flood of questions from Nakuru residents who voiced frustration over the perception that the county was being run remotely. The controversy reached a peak when a humorous yet pointed missing person poster circulated online. The poster claimed Kihika was last seen boarding a plane to the United States 3 months ago and had yet to return to Kenya. In a tongue-in-cheek manner, it urged anyone who spotted her to remind her that the United States was not Nakuru County and to contact the county government. Social media reactions were swift and varied. Some speculated that Kihika had relocated to the U.S., while others joked about the possibility of her being abducted. The debate intensified during the festive season in 2024 when her absence became even more pronounced. Traditionally, Kihika and her husband Buru hosted well-attended festive gatherings at their Rongai home, sharing gifts and goodwill with the community. However, this tradition was conspicuously absent last year, adding fuel to the rumors. Interestingly, despite her physical absence, Kihika remained active on Facebook, sharing updates about various county projects. Notably, she did not appear in any of the photos she posted, leaving many residents skeptical about her level of involvement. In response to the public outcry, Kihika released a statement through her chief of staff, Peter Katienya, clarifying that her absence was due to maternity leave. Following numerous calls regarding my absence, I want to first assure the people of Nakuru that I am well and currently on maternity leave, she said. She expressed gratitude for the concern shown by residents and reassured them that county services were operating smoothly under the leadership of Deputy Governor David Konis. Kihika emphasized her confidence in the Deputy Governor's ability to manage county affairs in her absence. She also reassured residents that she would be resuming her official duties at the conclusion of her maternity leave, which is expected to end in the coming weeks. While Kihika's explanation may quell some concerns, the incident highlights the critical role of communication in public office. Prolonged absences, especially during a festive season when leaders are highly visible, naturally prompt questions. Although maternity leave is a valid and essential reason, the lack of clear and early communication created an unnecessary vacuum for rumors to flourish. This episode serves as a reminder that transparency and timely updates are crucial in maintaining public trust, especially for leaders in high-profile positions. As Kihika prepares to return to her role, the focus will now shift to how effectively she can reassure her constituents and steer the county forward.